Hi guys! Today, I will be trading my large Firework Cameraman. Let's go! Whoa, a very good start! Brew. What are the chances? I always accept the first offers. How? I promise you that none of me trading videos are staged. This is the reason all my trading videos are very short, and I am sorry for that. Maybe this is the reason that me trading videos get a lot of views. Like these ones. By the way, was the trade do or L? Let me know. And also let me know if I should do longer videos or shorter videos. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want more trading videos like this. I guess that's all. See ya!